So, how are you doing, Sejal?
I'm doing well, ma'am.
Great to hear that. I'm doing well too. Thank you. So, Sejal, I would like to ask you a couple of questions, and we would love to get your feedback on, kind of the course that you enrolled for. So, how did you come to know about our website, and what did you want to learn from the enrolled course?
I want to learn for better communication skill. I have joined EduBridge, and I came to know this from my friend Nikita. Uh,
Okay.
she told me, and we both joined together.
Okay, great. And what did you want, apart from communication skills, Sejal, what else did you want to learn?
Uh, Nothing else, ma'am. Better communication skill, confidence, building, body language are some of the things which are really important in day-to-day life. So, yes, I would.
Great. Okay. And how has your overall experience been so far with the online training?
It has been amazing. We have played games like King and Queen, and we have also played riddles.
Nice.
And some
Okay.
were also there. There were a variety of motivational speeches we have heard. So yes,
Hmm.
really good.
You mentioned, Sejal, motivational speeches. So,
Yes,
how has these speeches and how has the entire training shaped you up as a person? How have you become as a person?
I am bit. I am become a better person, and listening skill wise, I have also. I was a selective listener, so I
Hmm.
become a active listener as well. Uh, this is something really good, and yes, I have also learned to write things in a different way. Like there was essay writing, and we also wrote some essays, and which were really appreciated.
Okay. Nice. And I can see, Sejal, the confidence and the smile in you that, you have actually gained that through the training program. So that's really nice to see.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. And which part of the course did you find the most interesting?
Every part of the course was interesting, but the most one was listening the motivational speeches and writing some of the lines from
Hmm.
which we heard, because improving listening skill was really important, and that
Hmm.
enjoyed a lot.
Okay, great. How do you find our Learn by Yourself modules?
They were really nice and interesting.
Mm-hmm.
Got much more knowledge about our body language and how we talk and interact, how we should start a conversation.
Okay.
Really important. And we also came to know about the teamwork and how teamwork can help us throughout our career. So yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
And Sejal, do you have any suggestions or any feedback for us so that we can make our program even better?
No, no such suggestion. It is going very well. The activities are taken very properly, and the most interesting part is everything is done activity wise in a activity way and in a fun way, which I loved the most.
Great. And you know, how will you take this experience that you have gained and how will this help you in your career as well?
When we meet people, we have to start a
Yeah.
conversation. So, for starting a conversation and for continuing the same conversation and ending the conversation, it is important to learn something. And I have learned this from EduBridge and this course, and more morely body language, which
Yeah.
plays important role, and grooming also plays an important role. The way you are at the first impression, your first impression is your last impression.
Yes.
People really judge you on the first impression, 90% of the people. So your first impression puts many things. You should be well groomed and your body language should be well. When you're talking to someone, you should show that interest and everything.
Yes.
And when communicating, should be active listening, which I really think is important. And this will help you throughout the life.
Great. And apart from that, do you have anything else to share with us?
Nothing much, ma'am.
Okay. So, would you recommend EduBridge and its courses to your friends and relatives?
Yes, of course,
Yeah.
I would recommend these courses because they help to build confidence, and they also help to build how the communication should go on, and how we can be so confident enough that we can speak with other person in an effective way, and how smile is also important while a
Yes.
conversation.
And you have a beautiful smile, Sejal. It was great interacting with you. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best, and I'm sure you will succeed wherever you go. So, thank you so much, and stay healthy and stay safe.
Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you. Thanks, Sejal.
Thank you.